Imagine a world where finding love is a race against time, and every moment counts. For butterflies, this is their reality. In the vibrant world of butterflies, wearing your best clothes means flaunting the most dazzling colors. These colors are not just for show, they are vital signals in the quest for a mate. Dr. Alberto Zilli, a Lepidoptera curator, reveals that these colorful displays help butterflies recognize their own species and distinguish between males and females. But what happens when the sun sets? Night-flying butterflies and moths switch to using scents and sounds to communicate, releasing powerful pheromones that can be detected from miles away. Male butterflies often chase after anything that moves, from leaves to bees, hoping to find a mate. It's only when they get closer that they can judge if they've found the right match. Competition is fierce. Male butterflies use acoustic signals to attract females and ward off rivals, mimicking the sounds of hunting bats to intimidate other males. In some species, males form choirs, singing in unison to attract females. This competitive display, known as lekking, allows females to choose the best suitor from the group. Once a potential pair has found each other, the courtship dance begins. The male performs a delicate dance, hoping to impress the female with his moves and pheromones. Persistence is key. Many males face rejection multiple times before finding success. For butterflies, determination in the face of refusal is a crucial part of their mating ritual. In the end, the odds may seem stacked against them, but for butterflies, the pursuit of love is a beautiful dance of sight, sound, smell, and sheer willpower. Keep fluttering and never give up. Once mating is successful, the female butterfly will search for the suitable host plant and lay her eggs in groups or singly depending on the species. The eggs can take anywhere from 4 days to 3 weeks to hatch. Very often, the baby caterpillar will eat its egg before looking for food. Caterpillars come in all shapes and sizes and colors. Often, butterfly caterpillars are much smaller than moth species. They will change their skins 5 times before they are ready to become a pupa. Once the right weight is reached, they will form a pupa. Some hang upside down, some burrow into the earth, and some build a cocoon with leaves and silk that they produce. If conditions are right, the butterfly or moth can emerge as soon as 4 weeks, however. If conditions are not right, they can wait longer, some even overwinter in their pupa. Some butterflies and moths have a tongue which they feed on nectar from flowers with. While they do this, they get pollen on their legs, and when they reach the next flower, it transfers and pollinates the plant, so it can grow seeds, fruits, or vegetables. That is the story of the butterflies and moths that live in your gardens and pollinate your plants in exchange for a small amount of your plant's leaves. So next time you see a hungry caterpillar eating your plants, remember your flowers and fruits and vegetables wouldn't be producing without these garden helpers.